already got bit. Do I have a fish first cast? Ew. Fish first cast. It's not big, but thought so. First cast dink. Little dinky. Here you go. Mike's on one. A little better. There's a fish. Stay tight. Kind of not big, but it's better size. See you, buddy. Go. Oh, that's got a nice bite. Come on. There he is. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a good fish. Come on. That might be the 18. Come on. 18. On the dot. On the